EMS traffic approaching 4 miles, so between 010 degrees 7 knots, runway 04, clear for takeoff.
Runway 04, clear for takeoff, exactly.
Synchronous tabs. Fuck. Ah, there we go. Which ENR is it?
Category hold with 3.
Work time, sorry, just confirm you are in the Western Aton, so on the kind of Western Aton side of Whiskey 3. Work time, yeah, coming up very shortly.